Do you know that you can accelerate your hair growth? Many of us struggle with hair that seems to take forever to grow, never quite reaching the length we dream of. But guess what? Nature has a solution tucked away in the humble castor bean. Yes, we're talking about castor oil, a natural powerhouse that's loaded with properties perfect for hair treatments. This magical oil can make your hair grow stronger, thicker, and faster. Today, we will explore how to use castor oil to make your hair grow faster. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of castor beans, is a potent hair growth booster. This humble oil is packed with antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a formidable opponent against scalp infections that can hinder hair growth. It is like a superhero swooping in to save the day, or in this case, your hair. Moreover, castor oil is also known for its role in strengthening the scalp. It's like a personal trainer for your hair, ensuring it grows stronger and thicker. No more worrying about brittle strands that break at a moment's notice. But that's not all, ladies and gentlemen. Castor oil is also a fantastic ally in the battle against hair loss. It's like having a secret weapon in your hair care arsenal, always ready to combat those pesky hair fall issues. So, isn't it amazing how this oil can transform your hair growth journey? Now, on to the main event, preparing your hair growth oil using castor oil. It's really quite simple and takes no time at all. And the best part? You can do it right in the comfort of your own home, using just a few ingredients. First, gather your supplies, castor oil, and your choice of either jojoba or argan oil. You'll also need a spray bottle for easy application. Now let's start mixing. Take 10 drops of castor oil. Yes, just 10. Don't be fooled by this small amount. This oil is potent and packs a powerful punch. Next, add 2.5 ounces of your chosen oil, either jojoba or argan, into the spray bottle. These oils are excellent for your hair, providing nourishment and shine, while also diluting the thick consistency of the castor oil, making it easier to apply. Once you've added both oils into the spray bottle, give it a good shake. You want to make sure the oils blend together well to create a smooth, unified mixture. Now here's the key. Always apply the oil to a humid scalp. This doesn't mean your hair needs to be dripping wet, just slightly damp. Spray the mixture onto your scalp and then massage thoroughly, ensuring every inch gets some love. And voila! Your very own hair growth oil is ready to use. Time to sit back, relax, and let the magic happen. Before we go ahead and apply this oil, there's an important step we must not skip. Always perform an allergy patch test. Dab a small amount of the oil mixture on the inside of your forearm and wait for 24 hours. If you notice any redness, itching, or discomfort, it's best to avoid using the mixture. Now let's delve into the application process. Spray the mixture onto your scalp while it's damp, but ensure your hair is not soaking wet. Massage it in thoroughly, allowing your scalp to absorb the nourishing oils. Then, wrap your hair with a shower cap or towel to protect your pillows from any oil transfer. Leave the oil on for a few hours, or better yet, overnight, to maximize absorption. After this, wash your hair as you normally would. This process isn't a quick fix. It needs to be repeated regularly for best results. Remember, the key is consistency and patience. So, we've learned how to harness the power of castor oil for hair growth. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it an essential ingredient for our hair treatment. Remember, this miraculous oil strengthens the scalp, promoting stronger and thicker hair growth. It's truly a potent ally against hair loss. We've also discovered how to prepare our own hair oil. Mixing 10 drops of castor oil with 2.5 ounces of jojoba or argan oil creates a potent blend. Applying this concoction to a damp scalp and massaging it thoroughly is key. And don't forget, it's best to leave it on for a few hours or even overnight for maximum effect. Remember, always perform an allergy patch test before applying this or any other natural remedy. We wouldn't want an allergic reaction spoiling our hair growth journey, so give this natural remedy a try and watch your hair thrive like never before.